Let's go and take a look at the ASUS ROG SCAR 18, which we do have right here. And this one is, particularly this one, it has a CPU Intel Ultra 9, a 64 gigabytes of RAM DDR5, which is absolutely amazing, 2 terabyte of SSDs, and of course it has an 18-inch QHD monitor with up to 230 hertz of absolute beauty. So let's go and deep dive in. Let's go and look at the characteristic, tell you more about it, as well as the Intel Core Ultra i9, the GeForce RTX graphic card, which is in here, and let's go and deep dive into it. The ROG Strix, which we do have right here, this is the SCAR 18, and it's an absolute powerhouse for gaming, content creation, and everything. So let's go and take a look first of all at the screen quality and the beauty of a 4K. So this one, first of all, it runs an Intel Core Ultra i9, and it's an absolute processor and supports up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. So beast in it. It delivers desktop level performance in a laptop chassis. Keep in mind, we're gonna go through the ports and everything. It's a 3 kilogram laptop, so just so you know. It has an 18-inch mini LED Nebula HDR display, which resolution goes to 2560 to 1600, a blazing 240 Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI-PI P3. Currently, this is the best in the market that you can get. This is the best laptop in the market for gaming, editing, 4K rendering, and all of that. It is an absolute beauty, and it is, as we said, the best in the market. It supports all AAA games without a problem. Also for future ones, yes, it will support future AAA games. It has inside the RTX 4090 graphic cards, which is a mobile CPU paired with the high-end CPU and fast DDR5 5600 memory. It keeps frame rates, refresh rate, and all of them at the top. 3D rendering, photo editing, video editing, everything works beautifully. Cooling is another big part of it. The ROG Advanced Thermal System includes liquid metal on the CPU as well, so definitely something to go and consider. It has slide up and down, very nice trackpad, full on keyboard. We got the letters as we see over here, as well as the numbers right here. RGB lighting, which is also customizable, all the controls right here. And talking about the ports, what do we have? Well, we go, as we see here, both from left to right, but let's go and focus on the left one mostly. We got a Thunderbolt port, USB-C, USB Type-C. We got a display port, G-Sync support, HDMI 2.1, 2.5 gigabytes LAN, and audio jack, and it also features 4 Dolby Atmos speaker for great volume. So overall, you're looking at the best in the market right here. And just to give you a comparison, if we go and shift it right here, this is the size comparison. ASUS ROG 18-inch, MacBook Pro 16-inch. So you see the difference. But overall, this one is the best in the market if you're looking for gaming. Windows PC, absolutely yes.